start. The supreme question that one has to face today in the world is how we can avoid a world war, full stop. Some people seem to think that it is unavoidable and therefore they prepare for it and prepare for it not only in a military sense, but in a psychological sense, and thereby actually bring the war nearer full stop. Personally, I think that it is a very wrong and a very dangerous thing full stop. Of course, no country dares take things for granted and not prepare for possible contingencies full stop. We in India must be prepared for all possible danger to our freedom and our existence full stop. That is so full stop. But to think in terms of the inevitability of world war is a dangerous thinking full stop. I should like this house and the country to appreciate what a world war means, what it is likely to mean. Full stop, next para. It just does not matter who wins in the world war, because it will mean such utter catastrophe that for a generation or more, everything that we stand for in the way of progress and advancement of humanity will be put an end to. That is a terrible thing to contemplate, and everything should be done to avoid this catastrophe full stop. I feel that India can play a big part, and perhaps an effective part, in helping to avoid war, full stop. Therefore, it becomes all the more necessary that India should not be lined up with any group of powers which for various reasons are full of fear of war and prepare for war. Full stop, next paragraph. We are at the present moment on friendly terms with all countries, full stop. With our neighbor, Pakistan, I think the situation is improving from day to day, full stop. It is much better than it was a few months ago, full stop. I hope it will improve more, full stop. With Afghanistan and Nepal, we are on the friendliest terms, full stop. With other countries in Asia and in Europe, our relations are getting closer and closer, our trade is extending, full stop. We should utilize this position, I think, in the United Nations and elsewhere to fulfill the cause of peace, and it is possible that a number of other countries which are not happy at the prospect of war may also support the attitude that India may take up, full stop. We have dealt with questions in the United Nations as individual, separate questions, For instance, comma, in regard to Korea, comma, in regard to Palestine, comma, in regard to some other matters too, full stop. And we have displeased people because have dealt with individual questions and given our opinion on their merits, full stop. I would beg the House to look upon the matter from the wider point of view and form the opinion. Full stop. Thank you.